Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some mind-blowing news for you. You won't believe what they found on Mars. That's right. Scientists have just discovered some amazing things about the red planet that could change everything we thought we knew about our solar system. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about these incredible findings about life clue in Mars, earthquake, Mars crust, and what they mean for the future of space exploration. Let's get started. First of all, did you know that Mars has earthquakes? Well, not exactly earthquakes, but Marsquakes. These are vibrations in the ground caused by tectonic activity, meteorite impacts, or volcanic eruptions. The InSight lander, which landed on Mars in 2018, has been listening for these Marsquakes with its seismometer, a device that measures ground motions. So far, it has detected over 700 Marsquakes, ranging from magnitude 1.5 to 4.0. Why is this important? Well, because by studying these Marsquakes, scientists can learn more about the interior structure of Mars. Just like an ultrasound scan can reveal what's inside your body, a seismometer can reveal what's inside a planet. By analyzing how the seismic waves travel through different layers of rock and metal, scientists can estimate the thickness and composition of those layers. And guess what? They have just published their results in 3 papers in the journal Science, and they are fascinating. Here are some of the highlights. Mars has a crust that is between 15 and 47 kilometers thick, depending on the location. That's much thinner than Earth's crust, which is between 30 and 50 kilometers thick on average. Mars has a mantle that is about 1,500 kilometers thick, similar to Earth's mantle, which is about 2,900 kilometers thick. The mantle is the layer of hot and molten rock that lies below the crust and above the core. Mars has a core that is between 1,700 and 1,840 kilometers in radius, smaller than Earth's core, which is about 3,500 kilometers in radius. The core is the innermost layer of a planet, made mostly of iron and nickel. Mars' core is liquid, not solid. This was confirmed by measuring how the core reflects seismic waves. A liquid core means that Mars once had a magnetic field, like Earth does today, but it somehow lost it over time. A magnetic field protects a planet from harmful solar radiation and helps retain its atmosphere. These are some of the most detailed measurements ever made of another planet's interior, and they will help us understand how Mars formed and evolved over billions of years. They will also help us compare Mars to Earth and other rocky planets in our solar system and beyond. But wait, there's more. Not only did InSight reveal what's inside Mars, but it also found some clues about what's on its surface. And this is where things get really exciting. You see, InSight also has an instrument called SAM, Sample Analysis at Mars, which can analyze rock samples drilled from the ground and detect organic molecules. Organic molecules are the building blocks of life, and they were discovered on Mars after a long search by SAM in several samples drilled from Mount Sharp and the surrounding plains. The finding doesn't necessarily mean there is past or present life on Mars, but it shows that raw ingredients existed for life to get started there at one time. It also means that ancient organic materials can be preserved for us to recognize and study today. But that's not all. SAM also detected something else in the Martian atmosphere: methane. Methane is a gas that can be produced by living organisms or by chemical reactions between rock and water. SAM found that methane levels vary seasonally on Mars, and sometimes spike up dramatically. The source of this methane is still unknown. It could be coming from underground reservoirs of ancient microbes or from geological processes involving water and rocks. Either way, it's a sign that Mars is not a dead planet, but an active one with ongoing chemical and biological activity. So what does all this mean for us? Well, it means that Mars is more than just a dusty desert world. It's a complex and dynamic planet with a rich history and a lot of secrets to uncover. It also means that Mars could have been habitable for life in the past, or maybe even today. That's why NASA is sending another rover to Mars, Perseverance. Perseverance landed on Mars in February 2021, in a place called Jezero Crater. Jezero Crater was once a lake that could have been home to ancient microbial life. Perseverance will explore this area and collect rock samples that could contain evidence of past life. Perseverance will also test new technologies that could pave the way for human exploration of Mars in the future. For example, It will try to make oxygen from the carbon dioxide in the Martian atmosphere, which could be useful for breeding and rocket fuel. It will also deploy a small helicopter called Ingenuity, which will attempt to fly in the thin Martian air, which could be useful for scouting and mapping. Perseverance is the most advanced and ambitious rover ever sent to Mars, and it will join InSight and other spacecraft in orbit and on the surface to reveal more secrets of the Red Planet. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!